Today we're going to walk through London's busy borough market where I'll show you all kinds of really exciting food and all kinds of interesting places you didn't know about. Join me in this tour of this really amazing but really busy place. You can already see there's a lot of food places, like this one's from Iraq, for example, which is really cool. This one's Indian, I think. I got to try this stall's food, which is Gujarati street food. It was really delicious as well. And here's what I ordered, which is like a rice curry, a vegetarian one, and that's how they're making it. It was really cool the way they made it, and they were also really nice. It is a bit pricey though, at like £12 for a meal, but despite that, it was actually quite filling, you can say. I did enjoy it. After that, they do sell lassi, but it's again really pricey. So yeah, I decided to just keep walking. That's actually how busy it was, like the people sitting in those rows. Yeah, I did go there on a Friday, which explains it, but the place was really insanely busy. Like it was the kind of busy where it's like you can't actually stand anywhere, kind of thing you could say. But despite that, it was such a fun, really trip, and it's really nice to see all of these different food spots from around the world. Here's an Arabic place. They make shawarma. They also have some really nice, I think that's baklava over there, which nice. Yeah, I love the weather today. Like today was like a rare September day where it's like it's still sunny and it's not so cold, so you can definitely film and go out. This is like I think a French bakery place. They do sell wines and things like that as well. There's a, I think this is like a, yeah, it's like a Vietnamese Asian place, like that's ramen basically. But yeah, you can just see how fully packed the whole place is. They do, interestingly, do also have vegetable stalls. That's like I think these are pastries, but again, they are really overpriced, like £4 a piece or something, which is nuts. Yeah, like with the sheer amount of people, they do even put a sign there, like mind the steps, that kind of thing. But the cool thing is you can actually hear like accents from all over the world. Like maybe there's like people from 200 nationalities there. I'm not joking. Probably there was. Like that's how packed it is. Yeah, and there's the vegetables I mentioned. Again, like they are overpriced. I'm not sure how much, but they quite are. Like everything in the place is quite overpriced, I would say. But it is a pretty cool walking tour. So if you've never been there, it's nice to visit. The lavender one, I never tried it, but it looked cool. Next time if I visit, I will check out the prices in some of the other places. But the food itself like was quite pricey. In some places, like they had like this shrimp lobster thing, £20 a like small bowl for that. And this was my walking tour of London Borough Market. What did you think of the place overall? Did you think it was nice? Did you think it wasn't nice? Would you visit this place? If yes, let me know. If not, let me know why not as well. So yeah, my overall impression is it's alright if you want to visit once as a tourist, or if you've never been there, but then it just becomes a bit over, like it is too expensive. It's not necessarily a tourist trap per se, but it is also really cool to see like all of these different restaurants, all of these places, like all that food you can get like in one single place from all over the world. Like Iraqi food is a bit rare, for example, but you also got Gujarati street food, and you got like some of the normal stuff, and that's really cool having it all in one place. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching as always.